Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Hope you guys are doing well. Today I came with another important topic which is document verification. In this video, I am going to cover what documents are verified, how the documents are going to be verified. I will cover everything in detail in this video. So please make sure to watch this video till the end. I First of all, congratulations to the everyone who has been selected for the Infosys Springboard Internship 7.0. I hope this internship will help you gain valuable knowledge, skills, as well as experience. Many of you have already received batch allocation emails, whether it is batch 1, batch 2, batch 3, or batch 4. Now, let's talk about the next step, which is document verification. Don't worry, this is not an interview. They are not going to ask any interview questions. The purpose of this round is to simply verify your documents. You will receive an email like this for document verification also. I took this mail from my friend who has already selected for the Infosys Springboard Internship 5.0. Once you receive the document verification mail, it will contain the date and time of your verification session. And make sure you join the meeting at the specified time only. When you join the meeting, keep your microphone muted and also camera also turned off unless they will tell you. There will be many candidates and verifiers in the meeting. The verification team will call candidates one by one, either by your name or by your email ID. So please stay attentive throughout the session because you won't know exactly when your turn will come. When your name is called, you are asked to show your college ID card and any government ID proof such as PAN card, Aadhaar card, or voter ID card. You can either hold the original documents in front of the camera or you can share a clear soft copy by sharing your screen depending upon the instructions given in the session. After verifying your documents, the verifier will confirm whether everything is correct or not. Once your verification is completed successfully, you can consider yourself officially onboarded for Infosys Springboard Internship. Before joining the session, make sure you sit in a quiet environment and ensure a stable internet connection. Overall, it is a simple and straightforward process. So there is no need to worry about this session. I hope you understand everything in the session. That's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.